Civic. I'm flossing in my Civic. I'm riding in my.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSCR254, also LSHD254. Two different channels. I've been thinking about combining them, but for now, we're just gonna keep putting these videos on both channels, mainly on the one that it pertains to. So today we got a package from, you see it, Avant Black. Now, I haven't really done much with the motorcycle, like I said. For the most part, my bike is where I want it to be. It's a couple things that I'm kind of on the fence about, but I think that I'm good for the most part. So this package from Avant Black, I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna show you what we got, right? We're gonna open this bad boy up, and I'm gonna show y'all what we got for Shotty Red. Now, y'all know, like a whole minute ago, I was thinking about getting rid of Shotty Red and all of that. I was tripping, y'all. Like, for real. Like, that's my baby. I love her. You be wanting something new, but like I said, I love her. You know what I'm saying? So, we ain't going nowhere. We ain't breaking up. We good to go, right? So, like I said, let me open this up and I'll show you. Whatever, you know. Shout out to my cameraman, DJI. Tell you, man, that Osmo 3, something. All right, so, ooh, what you got in there? Oh, you know. Y'all see what that is? Can you see it? I know it's trying to focus on me. Y'all see what that is? So open up the bag. Open up the bag so you can see, right? Yeah. You see that? You know what that is? Yeah, if you know, you know, baby. If you know, you know. All right. I did learn how to double tap and put that bit back on. Say, hey, we moving, B. We grooving, B. All right. So, if you know what that is, then you know what's coming next. Oh, it's a bag. It's a big bag. All right, so whatever it is covered in styrofoam. Let's see what we got. Don't you just love opening new packages? It's like Christmas, like all the time though. You gotta love it. Boom. Woo-wee! You see it? Hey, you see it? God damn, that motherfucker sexy. Yeah. So, this is the Raptor seat from Avant Black. It's in black and red. It's got the double diamond stitching along with the ostrich. Like, man. Now, some of y'all, if you've been paying attention to the channel, you're gonna be like, now, didn't you get rid of a black one? Didn't you have an all black one just like that? Yes, this is true. I did. So let me tell you the story behind that. If you didn't know, I'm gonna catch you up to speed. So I got rid of that seat, not because it was uncomfortable, but because I myself am a little vertically challenged. And when I sit on my bike, I wasn't flat-footed like I wanted to be to back my bike up, right? So a friend of mine, good buddy of mine, man, he got a bike as well. He still had his stock seat. He's not vertically challenged. It really would make a difference. So I said, hey man, switch me seats. I'm trying to see something. He liked how comfortable my seat was. I liked that his seat was low and I could be flat-footed on my bike. And that was like, cool. You can have it. I'm like, oh man, you know, I'm pretty sure your seat costs some money, but bro, I ain't worried about it. You know, you've done some things for me. You've been there for me in the past. You done showed me love on some stuff. Hey, it's yours. Just let me have your stock seat. Cool. Gave me a stock seat. So then I was like, I got to riding on the stock seat. You know what I'm saying? Now, if any of y'all, like, now, yes, I am flat-footed now, but man, that goddamn stock seat is not comfortable at all. Like, I mean, it's a seat, but it ain't like a comfortable seat. So I went and bought me another seat, plain and simple. You know what I'm saying? So this is where we at. This one, instead of going all black, I went black and red. You know what I'm saying? Black with a red stitching. And yeah. It does have the, these are like the gel core seats. Like I said, it's a certain thickness. Now, when I was looking at the dimensions online, technically, this seat should not be any thicker. However, I'm pretty sure that the padding is thicker and I sit a little bit higher. But after riding kind of uncomfortably, I decided that it's worth not being totally flat-footed, you know? Like, don't back your bike in. Like, swerve that motherfucker around or something. I don't know. If you are vertically challenged like me, or a little bit shorter, you know, whatever word you want to use, if you have a problem backing your bike up because you're not flat-footed, drop down in the comments. Let me know what you do to try to get flat-footed. You know, is it the boots or the shoes that you wear, etc., etc. I honestly, like I said, I've already changed my shocks. So my shocks on the bike are 11 and a half progressives. I don't want to do the lowering blocks. So technically, I mean, I done kind of lowered it already as much as I kind of can. Like I said, I mean, my legs are short. Know what I'm saying? Vertically challenged. It is what it is. But yeah, man, I had to give Sexy Red, you know, her style and shit back, man. You know what I'm saying? So let's go throw this on the bike, see how she look. The tracking, and I'm gonna just put y'all right here so that y'all can see me take the seat off, put the new one on, all that good stuff. So as you can see, this is what it looks like on the bike before. You know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, let me give y'all the before. If we're gonna use it for a thumbnail, we're gonna get that out the way. We might use it for a thumbnail, ain't no telling. So that's gonna be the bike. We get a thumbnail there. We'll focus on the seat, thumbnail. See, this is like behind the scenes. I should really be charging y'all for this, but you get it for free today, okay? We about to do, and like I said, it's a game changer, bro. Like, I'm just telling you, it's a game changer. So in order to change out your seat, of course, you know, you have to remove your backrest. Now, the backrest is one that originally came with the bike. I liked it because it's a backrest. You know what I'm saying? I know it don't match my seat, and that's why I think why I went all black with the last one. But yeah, but I wasn't giving away the backrest because that shit's so comfy, so comfy. I got this little screw back here that's gonna hold the yameen on there. You know what I'm saying? Hold the seat down. Now, originally, I think from the factory there was some straps. There is a strap that comes across the back of the seat. I don't have that. It wasn't on the bike when I bought it. So yeah, so boom, and that come up, and then stock seat is just up and away, right? Now, let's see a side by. All right, so this is stock seat, and this is. Hold on. We're gonna move this out. Move that out the way so we can get a good side by side. All right, so this is both seats pretty much side by side, scene by scene, right? So in theory, I mean, they should be pretty much the same. You know, I don't know if one is wider, maybe a little bit more comfy, but yeah. So yeah, I don't know. But yeah, and you know, shit, we got we got the Rapid Fest car show coming up, you know what I'm saying? So we can't be, you know what I'm saying, we can't be popping out with no regular seat, you know what I mean? But yeah, that's like I said, it should, like I said, in theory, it should have been the same, but you know, if it ain't, it ain't. Now I think the bolts for this. So that's what was in that little bag, was supposed to be the bolts to screw into here. Now usually I want to say they come with it, but I don't know if I've seen it. Let me go look. Let me go look in the house right quick. I want to say the bracket was there. The bracket is there, the screw is there, but not the actual screws that hold this to the bottom of the seat. Which, look at her. Trust and believe when I tell you, like, I'm definitely not tripping off that shit, like, at all. You know what I mean? So, we'll find some screws. Like, it ain't shit to find some screws. Like, nothing. It ain't nothing to find those screws. So I'll find some screws eventually, but we're gonna go ahead and put this on the bike. All right, so here we are, back at the bike. And like I said, we are going to slide this bad boy into place so you can see what it looked like. Okay. So of course there's this little hook at the beginning. And they go in like that. And boom, that's it. And that's your seat. Your backrest goes in here. It's gonna go down off in your little compartment like it was before. Boom. So yeah, that's how you looking. Like I said, we do have to get the screws for that bracket, and then that bracket will be held down by this bolt back here. It'll be good to go. So flip y'all around so y'all can see it in this glory this other way. Boom. I think it looks good on there. Black and red. I mean, it's mainly black and chrome. Like I said, I did like that black and brown. The brown added a little bit of it, but you know, eventually just want to make it my own. So here we are. So now I'm gonna sit on this bad boy. Well, actually, I don't got the keys, and the alarm might go off. But we'll do that for another video. I'll let y'all know what I think about it and how it's sitting, how it ride and everything. But I just wanted to give y'all something, you know what I'm saying? Cause I ain't gave y'all nothing, but honestly, we ain't been doing nothing. Here she sits, she a little dirty, need to be clean, but we gonna get her cleaned up, keep rolling. So, I know probably last video or the video before last, I was talking about if I want to get rid of her, but I don't, change my mind. So we just gonna keep on trucking with her. Eventually, do I want another bike? Yeah, but do I want to sell this one? My first love, my first Harley love? I don't think I can do it, y'all. I don't think I can do it. I am waiting on some new hardware. If you look back here, where my finger at, I feel like the little clip or the clamp that was supposed to be holding that on there has come off or broken down. So I ordered some different hardware. We're gonna get that put on there so we'll make sure we don't lose our tour pack and shit. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Like I said, I appreciate y'all for y'all support, for rocking with me. You know what I'm saying? It be sometimes a little bit of inconsistency, but at the same time, like if I don't be doing nothing, I really ain't got nothing to bring y'all. But I'll admit, I've been dealing with life and shit. So I'm gonna get back to it though. I got y'all, I promise. I'm gonna bring it back. So, till next time, man, we out.